Silas. I'm taking a video of you, Silas. You got something to say?
I like Power Rangers.
That's what you want to say on the video?
Yeah,
Anything else?
I do. I really like you, Christine.
Thanks.
That's Tinker. And I like Tinkerbell.
I like better.
I like everything. I like everything. I like drawing the F.
Yeah, you do like drawing an F.
Yeah, I like to.
What else do you like, Silas?
I can draw X.
An X?
I like everything.
I like nap time.
Me too. I like everything.
Hey, Silas, guess
Me
what?
too.
I love you.
Hey, Christy, guess what? You're the best. And, you're the best mother ever.
Thanks.
What?
I'm
right
not.
here.
I'm not your mother. What, Silas?
You're the best mind in the world.
1 mile.
Thanks. You better say that.
Christy, guess what?
What?
You're the best and better than
I'm the best alien.
entire world.
I'm an alien.
I gotta get off this house.
You're the best.
Silas, are you an alien?
You're the best in the
I'm a robot.
You're the best than anyone else in the wide world.
I'm not SpongeBob.
Lana! I'm right here.
I am an alien.